This video will show you how to replace the fog lamp bulb on a Cadillac CTS. This will be located behind your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front of the vehicle. Now as we make our way under the front corner of the bumper cover, this is where we can see where our bulb is located. Now with that said, let's disconnect our electrical connector. Now this does have a locking tab. As far as this locking tab, you can either carefully pull up by hand or you could use a small prying device such as a flat blade screwdriver. I typically just make my way under and I'll disconnect this. A quick inspection for corrosion. This looks good. Let's set it aside. Now we can take hold of the bulb. Let's turn it counterclockwise and remove it. There it is, friend. Let's get ready to install our fog lamp bulb. We'll get this in position. Once you feel as though it's rested in place properly, we're going to turn it clockwise until it's completely locked in. Double check to make sure it's secured and we'll continue on with our electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click, and give it a tug. Once you're sure everything's proper here, we can make our way out from under the vehicle. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our fog lamp bulb. Now the next thing you want to do is test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.